Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to be learning the Microsoft Word shortcut. So starting with Microsoft Word, you open it and then you click on blank document. These are the shortcut keys we're going to be learning. The CTRL here stands for control. You can find it on your keyboard written as CTRL. So the first shortcut key is Ctrl A, which is to highlight or to select the text. As you can see, when I clicked on it, it selected all the text on my document. The next is Ctrl B, and when you click on Ctrl B, it makes your text to be bold. As you can see, it is now darker than before. The next shortcut key is Ctrl C, which is copy. When you select the text and you click Ctrl C, it automatically copies the text, so you can paste it as it is on another side of the document. The next is Ctrl D, which is font settings. When you click on Ctrl D, a smaller menu will come out from which you can edit your text. You can choose any font that you want. You can increase the font. You can also change it to either superscripts or subscripts. The next is Ctrl E. Ctrl E is for center alignment. As you can see, when I clicked on Ctrl E, it moved the text to the center. Ctrl F is for the find box. You can see by the side something navigation came out when I clicked on Ctrl F. This navigation helps you to locate a particular word or an alphabet in your document. I've clicked on center, so when I clicked on center, it brought out everything on it that had the word center. So the next shortcut key is Ctrl G, which is go to. When you click on Ctrl G, a small menu will come out, and from there you can go to a certain page that you want to. In case you have, like, the document is close to 200 pages and you want to adjust something in the 99th page, just click on Ctrl G and you can adjust it from there. The next is Ctrl H, which is a find and replace box. When you click on Ctrl H, another menu will come out whereby you can search for a word that you want to change. When you see it, you see find word. In this case, I use the CTRL, find CTRL, and replace it with CCCC. As you can see on our document, everything that is CTRL has changed to CCCC. So you can easily adjust a word in your document by using the find and replace box. And now I want to change it back. So what I'm going to find is CCCC and replace it with CTRL. Click on replace all. You see I made 26 replacements, so my CTRL is back. The next is Ctrl I, which is italic font. It is not like as it is right now, it is straight. When you click on italic font, it bends your font a little. As you can see, the hello that I just wrote down now is not straight like the other text. It is slightly bent. So that is how italic fonts look like. So the next shortcut key is Ctrl J, which is to justify paragraph alignment. So let's form a sentence using the shortcut keys that we have here. I didn't bring in any document, so we're just going to form our own document using what is on the screen right now. So I'm just adding them up together. Note that there might be double spacing here. I'm not really checking for that. That's when you get to see the work of Ctrl J. Let's form as much as we can so that we can see the difference very well. So we have this now. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to click on Ctrl J. You see there's a slight difference now. I'm going to undo it so that you can see it again. So this is how it is. This is how it is. Once I click on Ctrl J, the msword will adjust the spacing between words and characters to align both the left and right edges of the paragraph, thereby creating a justified text alignment. So it removes any double spacing and justifies it. The next shortcut key is Ctrl K, which is to insert hyperlink. When you click on Ctrl K, it brings out a menu where you can add in any URL, any website, or maybe an email or something. It has different options there. You can choose to work with anyone. So the next shortcut key is Ctrl L for left alignment. It is already on the left side, so it means there. But let me shift it so you can see. You see, so it is now on my right side. Once I click on Ctrl L, it will go to the left side. As you can see, I clicked on Ctrl L, it went to the left side of the document. It aligns to the left side. So the next shortcut key is Ctrl M, which is to indent the paragraph. There are some documents that you may be typing and you need exact spacing when typing them down so that you don't get confused or put in the wrong spacing. You can just use Ctrl M, it will give you that indentation and it will be correct. Alright, so let's move to the next shortcut key, which is Ctrl N, and that is to start new file. When you click on Ctrl N, it will bring out a new document for you, so you can have multiple documents opened just by clicking on Ctrl N to bring out the document. So Ctrl O is to open document or file. Click on Ctrl O, it will take you here where you can get a document from your computer, your desktop. The next next is Control P, which is to print. If your system is connected to a printer or through wireless, you can click on Control P to print it. Control Q refers indentation. Now this is similar to the undo key. Right now, what I was clicking on was Control M to create that indentation. So after clicking on Control N, I clicked on Control Q, which brings it back to its normal state. The next is Control R. When you click on Control R, it takes your text to the right side of your document, that is the right alignment. The next is Control S. You use Control S to save your file. After writing your document and you're done with it, you click on Control S to save it. So let's see. I clicked on Control S, so it brought out this menu. What am I going to save it as? I'll choose the place I want the document to be. I'll still put it in there. The next is Control T, which is a hanging indentation. The function of Control T, that's the hanging indentation, is that when you select the first line or any line at all in your document and then you click on Control T, it will keep that line hanging. So if you should add spacing to the rest or you should indent the rest, that particular line that you kept hanging will not be indented. It will keep it as it is. So the next is Control U, which is underline. You'll see how we're going to use that. Now you select your text. Select it and then you click on Control U. You can see it is underlined. It creates that line and the line is always straight, so you see it's there, you underline them. The next is Control V, which is paste. When you copy Control C, you use Control V to paste it. You don't use Control P to paste. Control P is to print. Control V is to paste. So you copy, as you can see, we copied Control U on the line and then we pasted it using Control V. So the next shortcut key is Control W. And when you click on Control W, it's to close your document or your file. Some of you are leaving Microsoft Word. So that's that. Control X is to cut. You take a sentence from your document or your paragraph, takes it and does not keep it there, unlike Control C that you can copy, it will still be there, but Control X, it takes it all. Control Y is to redo. Maybe after performing an action and you erased it by mistake, you can use Control Y to bring it back. As you can see, I'm erasing Control X. So I'm going to click on Control Y to bring them back. As you can see, the whole process has come back together. while Ctrl Z is to undo the last command we did before. For example, if I erase Ctrl Z, I can press Ctrl Z to bring it back again. So if you make a mistake and you want to bring it back, click on Ctrl Z. That's all. Thank you.